You can see that when I click on my video or on my audio, they both get selected. If you want, for example, to select only the video and delete it, you can right-click and now select Unlink. And now you can use this audio for another video. Or you can use only the video and make a voiceover. One way to change the volume is to right-click your audio on the timeline and select Audio Gain. You can see here the gain and volume. Another way to change the volume is to click Audio Clip Mixer. If you have 2 audio tracks or more, you can change the volume individually.